What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you a quick DIY, only $3 planter, cedar planter. All you really need to buy is the 2x2x8, and that only runs you about $3. All this was scrap, 1-foot scrap boards, as you can see here. A very high quality. You just cut them all to around 1 foot apiece. So I just had some scrap boards laying around. If you were to buy these, this planter would still only cost you around $12 or so. So no doubt a very good deal. And as you can see, I left some gaps at the end. I might put some weed fabric to stop the soil from running through. All you have to do is set up the sides first. Just set up the sides and nail the fence boards first to the side rails, and once you build on one side with the side rails, do the same with the second, is nail on the actual side boards and then the bottom boards as well. You want to make sure you cut enough space out to where these are not resting on the ground. Just have them lifted up just a hair. Just a cool project, DIY planter project that I'd like to share with you. Only $3 again. I don't really have any measurements or anything, but I cut these to 11.5 inches to leave a little bit of gap at the top, so the soil will be able to cover it. If you want, you can always buy a cedar 2x2. That will run you probably about double than a regular big box 2x2. Also, again, I cut all these to about 1 foot apiece. I try to make them square so that they're not sticking out of each other. And it isn't a perfectly square planter. It is a little bit rectangular. If you wanted to make it square, I would cut these 1 inch shorter than these sides. So I hope you just make it your own. Make it so it's a $12 planter if you have to buy all the slats, of which you would only need to buy 2 slats at $4 a piece at Home Depot, and a 2x2 that might run you $2-3, so up to $12. But that is not bad considering most of these type style planters would go for probably about $40 at Lowe's if they were already pre-built, or if you were to buy one yourself. So, until I see you in the next video, I hope you check out my seed starting guides, and I'll see you in the next video.